Welcome to the Thumbnail Guy YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. Let's go. Click the purple Create a Design button, then search YouTube thumbnail. Now I will add the images for today's design to the pages. I will start off by cropping and resizing this image. We'll flip this image horizontally. Now add this image to the page. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Edit Image, Magic Erase. I'm going to delete this little emblem on the side of the vehicle. So I'll resize that brush to 3. Well, 6. I think 6 would be more suitable. Then I'll zoom in. And press erase. Next, I'm going to position this image right about here. Then I'm going to resize it. So when I resize this image, it makes it smaller, and I want the proportions to be about the same as this image right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale this back up until the size is similar. So in order to keep the proportions similar, using Magic Expand to expand the sky instead of having to resize or reduce the size of the image. So I'm going to click Magic Expand. Then I'm going to resize the image to about here. Then I'll press Magic Expand. As you can see, it expanded the sky, but I don't like how it's cloudy, so I'm gonna probably choose this option. It's a bit better. That's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to go to Elements. I'm going to click this torn paper graphic, which you can find it by searching torn paper. Then I'm going to rotate it. I think I'm going to flip this horizontally. I want to make it a bit smaller. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Only thing I want to do now is add a drop shadow to the paper graphic. So I'll go to Shadows, then Drop Shadow. And I'm going to change the angle of that drop shadow to the right side. I'm going to resize it and rotate it a bit. That is the final result. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guy down in the comment section.